Welcome back, skillet heads, to What's in Your Skillet. As the title implies, today I'll be walking y'all through making my foolproof, stay juicy turkey meatballs, and as a bonus, presenting not one, not two, but 3 ways for you to serve these meatballs for yourself, your family, or that special somebody you're trying to impress. First, start by gathering all your supplies so you're not like me during my lives, scrambling looking for a bowl or something while you got food all over your hands, the continual struggles of my mind working faster than my actions. Anywho, this is such an easy recipe requiring minimal tools. It simply requires 1 bowl, a cheese grater, handheld or box grater works just fine, a 1/2 cup measuring cup, and a couple of utensils. One very important thing for this recipe is that the egg, yogurt, and turkey should remain in the refrigerator until you need it. You'll start by grating the onion directly in the bowl. By doing this, you're allowing all the juices from the onion to remain in the bowl and help flavor the meat and other ingredients that sometimes get cut out, no pun intended, when cutting onion on a different surface. Do the same thing with garlic if you're using fresh garlic. Once you've grated the onion and your fingertips, add the plain Greek yogurt and seasonings of choice. I use my trusty garlic and herb seasoning from the Dollar Tree, onion powder, cumin, paprika, salt and pepper, and celery seed. Obviously, for those who have been around for a while, I do not measure my seasonings just because I feel we all have different palates and you should do what's best for your taste buds and flavor profiles, my opinion. And also a rule of thumb for me is that you know it's seasoned well when the overall color of your food has changed. Now be sure to mix to get all those seasonings incorporated into the yogurt, because going in the next thing is the egg. You're gonna beat that egg like it owes you something. You're gonna beat it into the mixture so well because you wanna make sure that's incorporated into the yogurt so it can be cohesive before adding in the next batch of ingredients, which are freshly chopped parsley, breadcrumbs, and Parmesan cheese. Use whatever cheese you like. It's literally no restraints on it. I was gifted this handy dandy herb chopper thing from my mama-in-law, and honestly, it's a whole game changer. Again, remember to mix and incorporate because you're going to be adding the ground turkey in the next batch, and you want to make sure all of that's mixed in before adding that ground turkey. So now add the cold ground turkey into the mixing bowl, and you're going to work this in with your hands, not doing it too much, but not doing it too little, so that way it's all incorporated. It's like finding the perfect middle ground. Just if you feel like you're touching it too much, stop touching it. Okay, that is literally all I can tell you. If you do work it too much, it ends up creating a more tough and drier meatball, and nobody likes that, trust me. So the next step is self-explanatory. You're gonna form the meatballs into balls, or the meat into balls, and you'll flash freeze them. So whatever scoop you like, if you like to hand press your meatballs, however you like to do it, get them into individual size balls, servings to be flash froze. If you're unfamiliar with flash freezing, it's a very simple process that helps allowing the ingredients in the dishes to rest before cooking and baking, which allows the flavors to mesh together and settle, ending in a better end result. It's also a good way to backstock foods that you may have that you don't want to make all at the same time. So like if you get a big pack of ground beef, you can make your hamburger patties, flash freeze them, and then put them all in the same container. Super easy. The versatility of how these meatballs cook out allow for your personal choice to be highlighted. So they're easy to bake or pan fry, and I'll actually add further instructions in the description. This one batch of meatballs produced all 3 dishes: a panini, the traditional way with the spaghetti and meatballs, and a flatbread. All equally delicious, definitely left me wanting more. I now have to buy the fat pack of ground beef, the 3-pound pack, because meatballs allow for so many different options for lunch and dinner. And if this video did its job and had you wanting some meatballs, then go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for future recipes. And that's just a little food for y'all skillet.